Okay, we're on the boat here. We've got the hose hooked up. Here's your motor down here. And boat here. This is all new upholstery here. There's a couple little lines there from a rope. Just not, it didn't tear the upholstery. You can see it's just, a lot of it will come off rag. Upholstery's pretty good back here. Couple little tears right here. Same here. Other than that, pretty good condition. This one's actually really good. And the bow up front, I'll open that here in a second. But we'll go ahead and start it. This is carbureted, so we'll give it a little gas while we start it. And there's it starting. So it's running right now. We'll go ahead and throw it in the, we'll throw it on so it's running. So you can see the propeller going. Go ahead and turn it up a little bit more speed. That's the boat. There, it's running there. At the back of the engine here. There's your engine. So, yeah, we'll go ahead and run that again so you can see that. It's forward and reverse. I'm sure you can probably hear. And we'll go up to the bow. Run a bit. Sorry, I didn't take the cover off yet. I will.